Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about the poultry breeds, okay? So these, again, you're going to take your notes in that chart. Once we're finished with this, then you'll submit these, okay? You'll submit these on the Canvas page. Alright, so you don't have to write anything, you don't have to write anything in your chart, okay? So poultry identification, so how do we identify poultry? No breed registries for poultry, unlike other farm animals. So they're not registered. They're not technically considered registered. Okay, you can register your Angus or your pigs or your swine, okay, but you can't register poultry, okay, so there's no registry. So breed is a group of related fowl, okay, and fowl is bird. That breed is true for a specific trait. Okay, the type is the purpose for which the breed, okay, so is it used for meat or egg type? So there are different chickens that are used for meat versus egg, okay? And then their classes under their geographic origin, so where they're from. Alright, so our first one is a white leghorn, okay? They lay a large number of white eggs. They're used for egg production, and they're originated from Italy. Okay, so they're white. Okay, so they're considered what we call layer. They're just used to lay eggs. That's it. So then you have a Barred Rock. Okay, they're one of the most popular dual-purpose chickens on small farms today. So they're going to be used for both egg and meat production, and they're going to lay brown eggs. Okay, so Barred Rock is going to be used for both egg and meat, so they don't necessarily have to just be used for your egg laying. A Rhode Island Red, they lay eggs very well, okay, and they're valued for their meat as well. So they're valued for their meat, and they're red, okay, so that's what they look like. A Silkie, okay, this is what they look like, yes, so you're probably thinking they look funny. They're considered more of a showy chicken breed, okay, and the hens make wonderful moms. A friend of mine, this is the only breed of chicken, of chicken that she'll have is a Silkie, and most people just have them for their looks, okay, so they really don't use them for a layer or a broiler for meat, they just kind of have them for their looks. An Australorp is soft, shiny black feathers, has hints of green and purple in the sunlight. So you don't really see, if you look really close in this picture, you can kind of see the green tint, but you really don't see the green and purple unless the chicken is in the sunlight, okay? And they are excellent layers of brown eggs. The way you determine what color egg they wear or lay is by looking at their ears. Okay, broad-breasted bronze is the turkey, okay, it's the turkey. They have black feathers, and they're the largest of the turkey varieties. They are the largest of the turkey varieties. Then you have a broad-breasted white. Okay, so the difference between a bronze and a white is the color. Okay, so they have white feathers, and they're going to survive better in hot climates. So they like the hot. Okay, they like the hot climate. A Beltsville small white, developed by the USDA to provide a smaller turkey for consumers. So this is kind of the turkeys that you'll see in the turkey houses because they're a smaller turkey and about 10 pounds smaller than other turkeys. So you might not think that if you've never been in a turkey house or never seen turkeys in a turkey house, you might not think they weigh a whole lot, but they are very, very heavy. Okay, so if you have any questions, again, send us an email, and make sure you submit. Your chart should be finished at this point, so you can submit it on the Canvas page, okay? So if you have any questions, send me an email.